In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay off your Apple Pay through your Apple Card on your Apple Wallet. All right, let's do it. So I'm on my phone. I'm just going to pull down so I can search. Just pull down on the screen and type in the word wall for wallet. Click on the wallet at the top. You can see here are all the cards, which is awesome. And then I'll look for my Apple Card. I'll open that up and you'll see here all the details, your card balance, everything else. From there, you'll be able to hit pay. And then it'll prompt you what you want to pay. In this case, I'm going to pay off the full amount. You can see here kind of the no interest. You'll end up paying a little interest or a little bit more, whatever that is, and go from there. All right, so there's some other options you could schedule. There's other things, but I'm just going to hit pay. And then from here, it's going to ask me, where do you want the money to come from, this account specifically. And then I will do double tap, look at my face, and voila. We just paid off our Apple Wallet. Boom, and I actually just got the email confirmation as well.